Hi, I'm Dennis Wiley, Global Product Manager for Logix controllers for Rockwell Automation, and here to tell you about the Logix Evolution. We started way back in the 90s with a lot of PLC replacement style applications. As we've developed the platform, we've taken in and brought safety and process and motion control to the platform, filling it out. Now you're going to see the evolution of Logix turn in as we bring the connected enterprise to life. We're bringing in more applications, more partners. We're bringing in partnerships with PTC. We're bringing in partnerships with other manufacturers and other integrators, really filling out the platform and the portfolio. So I encourage you to try the product, check out the product, talk to us about the product, and we really hope that you'll enjoy using the Logix platform here from Rockwell Automation. For more information, come check us out, rockwellautomation.com.